Do you find yourself always stopping and buying a bottle of water past security at the airport? Want to stop doing that? Stay tuned. Welcome to Travel Tip Tuesday with the Traveling Cheesehead. I'm Michelle, and every Tuesday we dive into a practical and helpful tip so you can save time, money, and headaches. Please be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Today's mishap moment has to do with water. I was on a trip to India and did not plan ahead, did not have time to purchase a water bottle at the airport before I boarded my plane, but thought, you know what, they provide water on the flight, it'll be fine. Well, this was my very first super long international flight, and let me tell you, I was very thirsty. They served, for the meals, they served Indian food, which I love, but is a little spicier. And so I was very thirsty throughout my flight, and I had to keep bothering the flight attendants for water. I had to keep ringing my bell. I had to keep asking them for water. And I don't know about you, but I always feel bad doing that. I don't want to be a bother. I don't want to have to keep asking people for that, nor do I want to create a ton of waste with all these tiny little water bottles they give you on flights. You know how many little plastic water bottles I went through on that flight? They won't refill them, so they just give you a new one every time. So after that flight, I learned going forward that I needed to pack my own water bottle because I know that past security, there is always water fountains. And a lot of the water fountains now have a water bottle filling station attached to it. So you can very quickly and easily fill up your water bottle without having to go and pay that exorbitant price at the little market that is beyond security to buy that plastic water bottle. You know, $4 for a bottle of water to bring on the plane, it's a little high. Nor do you have to feel like you're being a bother to the flight attendants asking them over and over and over again for more water. So I invested in a nice water bottle. Now you can get whatever, they sell them for $5, $10, whatever. But I went with HydroFlask because, here's a bonus tip, you can put ice in here and take the ice through security and it's not counted as a liquid. Now you got to make sure it doesn't melt, but with these, they hold it pretty well. So as long as your ride to the airport doesn't take you 3 hours or something, you should be fine. It should still be solid when you go through security. And then when you get to the other side of security, if you like ice water like I do, you can fill up your bottle. And then on the flight, you have nice cold water for the duration of your flight. So one little bonus that I'll tell you with these type of bottles specifically, whether they're HydroFlask or something else, you need to loosen them because they're vacuum sealed. That's how they stay so cold and keep everything so cold. So you need to loosen them a little bit during takeoff because the air pressure changes. I made the mistake of one flight. I didn't do that, and then I opened my little flippy straw on my other one, and I got a nice refreshing splash of water in my face because the release of the air pressure. So that is my practical money-saving tip of the day. Get yourself a water bottle, take it through security with some ice in it if you'd like, fill it post-security so you can be hydrated throughout your journey. If you found today's tip helpful, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. I'd love to know what your burning questions are so I can find some practical tips to help save you some time, money, and headaches. Put them in the comments below so that I can come up with a travel tip for you. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time on Travel Tip Tuesday.